In the cut down technique, two operators are required. It begins with the preparation of the central line, primarily at the insertion site and at the exposed portion of the central line coming out of the skin. The operator then takes the central line, pulls it through, careful not to disturb this sterile field, and then pulls out the central line, holding it in place without touching the sterile field, allowing for a cut down over the sterile portion. A hemostat is placed, the central line is then cut, this hemostat is in place to prevent back bleeding. At this point, the sterile operator is then able to access the line with the utilization of the hemostat to place the central line into the central lumen. Care is taken to then place the guide wire through the remnant central line. The second operator holding it in place, then removing the remnant central line while the sterile operator then grasps the guide wire. At this point, with the central line out and the guide wire open, a new central and clean line is loaded onto the central line. New gloves are removed, and a clean central line is placed over the guide wire. By utilizing the cut down technique and the double gloving technique, an extra layer of sterility is then utilized to place in a new line into the previous location over the guide wire.